Welcome to mykaboodle, your all-in-one kitchen renovation companion. mykaboodle is more than just a project management tool, it's your key to a seamless kitchen transformation. Begin by discovering your unique style in the Dream It step. Tailored inspiration awaits, allowing you to craft bespoke mood boards that reflect your vision. Next, step into the Design It stage. Watch your dream kitchen come to life with our intuitive 3D Kaboodle planner. Experiment with layouts, colors and materials until it's perfect. Ready to make it a reality? It's time to get it. Shop the Kaboodle range at Bunnings, book a consultation and record your delivery date. It's all within reach. Now, let's install it. The installation step provides step-by-step guides and our tray tracker ensures you're organized every step of the way. Our favorite step? Enjoy it. Share your project with others, rate your experience, and above all, enjoy every moment in your dream kitchen. Get started today and turn your kitchen dreams into reality.